Client success, detained and granted leave. Case overview. The client was in the UK as a dependent of her husband on a skilled worker visa. During a routine interview with the UK border agency, her visa was revoked, and she was detained for removal to her country of origin. Key challenges. The border agency alleged that the client was in a marriage of convenience due to her inability to corroborate her husband's account of their relationship. She could not confirm her husband's family background, and it was alleged that she lived at a separate address from him. Additionally, she lacked evidence demonstrating affection and devotion to her husband. Given these discrepancies, her case initially appeared to have a limited chance of success. Procedural obstacles in a time-sensitive situation. The revocation of her visa did not provide an opportunity to appeal. The border agency scheduled her removal for the following week. Strategy and approach. Proactive use of law and procedure. Upon being instructed, we submitted a claim for her family life to be considered, despite the allegations of a marriage of convenience. The border agency requested further evidence of cohabitation, emotional commitment, and her husband's support letter. However, her husband refused to provide the details requested by the border agency. The client then disclosed allegations of domestic violence. We gathered relevant evidence and applied for the migrant domestic violence concession for dependents of skilled workers. Successful outcome. Our client was granted 3 months of limited leave to remain outside the immigration rules, with access to employment, benefits, and local authority housing assistance. She was subsequently released from detention. Key insights. This case underscores the critical importance of collecting detailed and robust evidence in cases involving domestic violence and allegations of marriage of convenience. Gathering credible evidence was key to obtaining leave for our client and securing her release from detention. She now has leave in her own right and can apply to switch to another immigration route before the end of the 3 months. Facing complex immigration issues? Contact BWF Solicitors today.